everyone, I'm Karis from SKYMARD China Limited. Today I would like to introduce the paver RP905 made by XCMG. As a key model in the 5 series, it has excellent comprehensive performance and is a preferred equipment for high-grade highway paving. Let's take a look at its overall appearance first. It's equipped with Shangchai SC7H260 diesel engine with an outpower of 191.5 kilowatts. It has strong power and can meet the needs of heavy load and long-term continuous construction. It has outstanding work efficiency with a maximum paving width of 9.15 meters, enabling one-time paving of 2 lanes, suitable for construction of various high-grade pavements such as highways and airports. In terms of intelligent configuration, it adopts left and right independent drive, microcomputer constant speed control to ensure stable paving speed, and road flatness, featuring adaptive leveling, vibration following, and remote diagnosis, achieving millimeter level paving precision and remote fault troubleshooting to improve operation and maintenance efficiency. It has strong durability with 4 sets of independent full hydraulic material conveying systems and uniform ultrasonic material control. The 3-in-1 composite radiator can work continuously and stably in a high-temperature environment of 50 degrees. In summary, the RP905 paver integrates intelligent precision, high efficiency, and wide width, energy saving, and durability. With full hydraulic intelligent control, it is suitable for various highway surface paving and is an ideal equipment for asphalt paving. Thanks for your watching. If you are interested in this XCMG paver, please contact us anytime.